instructions to be a fluent speaker, and then just suggest to make any types of accuracy if needed.
Okay, I have another relevant question to you. Suppose you are paying attention and you are trying to just keep your students focus on fluency, but the problem is that when they when they try to talk, they always try to look for the correctness, look for the whether they are going to do any mistake or not, because everyone has a problem of fear of losing face. How do you deal this thing inside your class? Because a student always try to speak correctly, but unfortunately they can't, and that's why their fluency becomes their fluency reduced. So what do you do in that time?
Yes, sir, that's a vital issue, and I face each and every day whenever any students always try to say something, and they have just hesitation, either the sentence is correct or not. So I always inspire them not to be bothered and not to just make you any types of hesitation, either your sentence is correct or not. And I don't try to make them correct in that situation. If I just make the correctness after saying two sentences, then I think it is my point of view that they can feel nervous and they have the hesitation. Oh my God, I am going to make another mistake if I pronounce or if I utter another sentences. So after complete their speech, if any major or vital mistakes are just available in their sentences, I always try to just make changes that, my dear students, you can make their sentences by this way. So try to just follow the instruction in your next class. Don't be bothered, just don't be nervous or make any types of hesitation in your mind that either the sentence will be correct or not. Just try to speak whatever in your mind. Don't be hesitate about saying anything.
So you try to motivate them that a little mistake can be acceptable, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So yes, thank you very much. So I would like to go to Miss Nashid again. Miss Nashid, could you please tell me, some students, in the sense of accuracy, some students want to be the perfectionist. They want to make everything correct, everything right, and that's why they sometimes also feel disappointed about the fluency or sometimes inaccuracy. So how did you face those kind of problems, or if you face, then how do you deal them?
Sure, actually, yes, I faced it a lot, many times. And actually, I think both are important. In if I actually focus too much on accuracy, then I actually maybe I lost the fluency. Okay, and then some students, they actually are very much fluent, but they don't actually follow the exact or rules. It's actually they actually say the native speakers, they sometimes don't follow the rules and regulation. So I think we actually need combine both of them, and then we can deliver in a moderate way our speech.
Okay, so it means that you show them the right way, the real things, real scenario of learning the language, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.